And that's it, you're ready to start up the car. You curious if this VTOMAN is right for you? I have a real world situation with this, which we went through at Metallica the other night. And I want to share that with you, plus I want to show you how it actually works. So let's talk about the real world experience with this. This is a battery backup jump starter in case the battery's dead, and or it also has a built-in air inflator in it. So let me tell you what happened at Metallica while I show you how to use the jump starter, because that's the story. So I really strongly believe in being real with you guys, and the honest truth is this is a brand new battery in this truck and it's never gonna die. But the jumping the battery function, that I needed to search out. So I had it in my car and we go to Metallica, and after the show we walk out and I'm telling you, the very nice woman parked next to us. I don't know what she left on her car, but that thing was dead. Happened to be, I had this in the car. Everything nicely fits in the carrying case, right? So all you do is you pull out the cables to jump start it, open the little plug here on the side, and you'll see this is directional, so you can only plug it in one way. You can't plug it in wrong. You plug this bad boy in, attach it to the positive terminal, attach it to a negative or ground. Mine's all the way under there. I normally just use this exposed bolt right here. And that's it, you're ready to start up the car. Let me tell you how dead this woman's car was. Initially, we put this on, flipped the key, and you got that little click, 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 but not quite enough to start it. Gave it maybe 30 seconds at the most. Hit the button, it was like, oh, started right up. Perfectly, it worked. Let's quickly talk about some of the other value-added features. Number one, has a light on it. Emergency, like flashers, or you just have a basic light if you're on the side of the road trying to pump up a tire or start it and you can't see what's going on under the hood. You got a light built into it. You also have a USB-A power and a USB-C power for you to use. There is 2,500 amps of jumping power in this, so it's gonna start even a big truck like this. And the final party trick, which we'll go demonstrate as well, you can use it to pump up the tire on this, tire on a big truck, tire on a bicycle. You can actually even see there are options. Turn it on. Hopefully you can see. You have car tire, got small car tire, bigger car tire, bicycle, or like a ball or something like that. Let's put it on big car because we got a big car here. So it comes preset to 32. So let's adjust it up to 40 and let's plug it into my truck, see how long it takes to inflate the nice big tire. Again, super simple to use. Obviously it's already on. Screw in the air hose. Let's plug it in and tell it to go. All right, so as we said, what we got? I got 31 pounds in here, so let me change it to 40 just to give it a little test, just to see how well it does. All right, 40 PSI on a full-size truck in 4 minutes. I mean, that really worked well. So let's wrap this thing up. Speaking of wrapping things up, when you're done, you just take the hose off. Watch your hands, it gets a little hot. So if you want to be a rock star at the Metallica concert, this is definitely a way to go. This X1 is going to stay in our household. This is going in my daughter's car. I don't get calls that our battery is dead, but I do get plenty of calls. Daddy, the light's on saying that my tire's low. What do I do? And I'm tired of her bringing it to me to rescue her. So I am going to put this in the back of her car. I'm going to be like, go get the inflator out of the back of the car, inflate your tire, go to the service station and get the tire actually fixed. I am so excited to have that, and you should be too. If you want to be able to resolve those situations for yourself, for your kids, for your mother-in-law, whoever it is, or the girl who killed her battery at the Metallica concert, this is a great way to go. If you want to get one, there's going to be a link right here on the screen or down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, helps out the channel a little bit. Let's just get more funky, cool toys like this to make content for you guys. Remember to like and subscribe while you're doing all that. If you have any questions about it, put it in the comments. I'm happy to share what I know about it with you. I hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.